Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and practical tutorial. If you're managing SharePoint lists, you might find yourself needing to clean up by deleting an unnecessary column. In this video, we'll walk through how to do that in SharePoint 2025 edition. It's a simple process, but we'll go step by step to ensure you don't run into any issues. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your SharePoint site with the right permissions. Without admin access, you won't be able to make changes, so double-check that before we start. Once you're in, navigate to the specific list where the column is located. You can find your lists by going to Site Contents from the home page or directly searching for it. Now, open the list and look for the gear icon in the top right corner. That's your settings menu. Click it and select List Settings from the options. This will take you to a page where you can manage all aspects of your list. Scroll down to the Columns section, which lists out all the columns in your list. Find the one you want to delete and click on its name. This opens the column's detailed settings page. On that page, you'll see a Delete button near the top. Go ahead and click it, but don't rush. SharePoint will prompt you to confirm because this action is permanent and will remove all data associated with that column. If you're sure, confirm the deletion. And just like that, the column is gone. Your list should update automatically. One important tip. Before deleting, check if this column is used in any views, workflows, or formulas. If it is, you might need to update those first to avoid errors. There you have it. That's how you delete a column in a SharePoint list for 2025. It's all about keeping your data organized and efficient. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.